Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add activities in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using our iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down and then tap the activities. Then after that, in the activities, tap the add activity. And as you will see that we already created an activity 1. And then tap the activities. And as you will see that the activity 1 is already added on your activities. And take note, activities allow you to change group of voiceover settings quickly with a router or automatically when opening an app or encountering a specific item in the user interface. And that's it, we have successfully added activities in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!